He never spoke about it, not once, not to his friends, not to his family, not even to the people who doubted him the most. For 5 years, Abir worked in silence, not in secret, just without applause. To the world, he looked like someone who had settled, a quiet bookstore clerk in a sleepy corner of the city. Same shirt, same route, same coffee shop every morning. People whispered he had potential. Didn't he study abroad? What a waste. They called him boring, invisible, forgettable. What they did not know was this. While they scrolled, he studied. While they posted, he planned. And while they flexed fake wins, he built something real. Every night, after every shift, Abir would return to a small one-room apartment, not to rest, but to write, design, code, build, fail, and then try again. For 5 whole years, no teasers, no previews, no vague captions about big things coming, just silence. Then one day, everything changed. A single link went live. No announcement, no warning. But within 48 hours, his app, an AI-powered platform for struggling students, went viral. A tool so simple, so powerful, it caught the attentions of investors across 3 continents. News outlets tried to reach him. Broadcasters begged him for interviews. Suddenly, everyone wanted to know him. But those who already knew him, they were stunned because they realized something powerful. He had been successful in silence for years. He just waited for the result to speak, not the promise. So friends, never expose a seed when it's still trying to grow roots. Talk too much and the pressure to perform kills the progress. Too much attention too early and your vision becomes the entertainment. Success doesn't need an audience during rehearsal, only during the final act. So stay quiet. Let them underestimate you. Let them forget your name. Then one day, let your work remind them, not with noise, but with undeniable impact. Because the loudest plan often dies in echo, but the quiet one, it changes the world. Thank you for watching the video.